I also welcome all of you because you are fighting for not only the employees of Tamil Nadu, but you are creating the history for restoration of old pension scheme for all the nation with more than 91 lakh NPS sufferers. I'm also thankful to the CPS Abolition Movement Committee, which is fighting under the leadership of Frederick Engels Sahab, Selva Kumar Sahab, John Leo Sahab, and Jaya Rajshekharan Sahab, Rajeshwaran Sahab. I especially thank you to Mr. my beloved friend Karikalan Sahab, who invited me, who gave me this opportunity to communicate with you. I'm really appreciating you and saluting you because since 72 hours without food, without water, you are struggling, you are fighting with this unjustified scheme. I'm really very disappointed that yesterday I had read a news from various platforms in New Delhi that Tamil Nadu is richer in human development index, is richer in per capita income, is richer so many contents rather than UP, Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Delhi. And I'm shocked that Tamil Nadu is the first state who introduced CPS scheme even before the central government policy. NPS, which was introduced on 22nd of December 2003, and Tamil Nadu so advanced, and advance is giving in tension, not pension. Advance giving in tension, not pension. Before starting new pension scheme, Tamil Nadu has introduced CPS scheme. Am I right? Am I right? How shocking is this? And government is saying that it is following central government scenario. How? CPS is completely a corporate pension scheme, private scheme. It is not a pension scheme because CPF is replaced by CPS in Tamil Nadu, and it is the single state. Nowhere is CPS is running. Nowhere is CPS running. And the Tamil Nadu, progressive state, where administrators treats like kings. I'm today here to support this hunger strike because you are writing a history in the evolution of CPS, NPS. I salute you all. Since 23 July 2025, the people are hungry, people are thirsty, they are starving. And Mr. Stalin is taking enjoyment. Perhaps I got a news today. He is perhaps under some treatment and is on bed in some medical hospital. We wish him a good health, may get well sooner. But what about our people, more than 6,50,000 families, which are suffering since 2003, March 2003. More than 22 years have been passed and they are still suffering with this type of injustice. They are getting retired. Some people have been already retired. And no pension. No pension. No pension. Even in any state, in any country of this whole world, there is no rule that any government can restrict them, whether the employees are from contractual, whether they are from pure government, whether they are from central government, whether they are from state government, whether they are organized workers, whether they are unorganized workers. Everybody, every employee is eligible, has right to get the gratuity and death gratuity. And in Tamil Nadu, I'm shocked. Today I got this news. I'm really shocked. How is this possible? So smart state, so brilliant state, so literate state, having position in top 5 literacy ratio. You are an icon for this whole nation, and no gratuity, no death gratuity, no pension, no family pension. Then why, Mr. Stalin, your government, why MLAs are taking the pension? Then why you are taking the pension? If you cannot provide pension to your employees, then why you are taking the pension? And not only the single times. If you are elected second time, you will receive the second time pension. If you are elected third time, you will be benefited by additional third time pension. Why so anomaly? And you say our state is creating history in literacy. Our state is creating history is GDP. Our state is creating history is per capita. Our state is creating history in HDI, Human Development Index. Where is HDI? This is HDI. This is, people are hungry. People are thirsty. People are starving. This is HDI. This is justice. I'm here to convey my message to this government. More than 22 years have passed. 2026 is coming soon. And you have committed, you have promised in 2021 that you will provide every employee old pension scheme. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
By point number 309. Then where is your promise? Honorable Stalin Sahab, where is your promise? You have promised our people. You have promised. It was not me. It was not you. It was not any other association. And here some associations are playing game in this field. Playing game. Giving so many projects, hunger strike, Chennai strike, some other programs. Why are you misleading, misguiding our people? Whether they are working as the safety valve of the particular government. Safety valve. I know very well. They are just playing as safety valve of the government because maybe they may be afraid of your work. They may be afraid of your emerging voice. Because you are here on hunger strike since 23 of July. They may be afraid of. maybe you get united and make any campaign against the government. I'm not talking about against the party. We are not in party politics. Are we? Are we? Are we in party politics? No. We are here to save our rights of our employees. Just only for saving our rights. We are not here for party politics, because we say we are the part of government. We are not the part of party. Are we the part of party? No. We are the part of the government. Doesn't matter which party comes in power. Doesn't matter. That will be our government, and we will be the part of particular that government. Difference is this: they come for 5 years. They are elected and we are selected. The basic difference is this: they are elected and we are selected, but they are the government and we are also the government. We are the bureaucratic part of the government and they are elected part, political part. So simple. We are not here for party politics. Maybe if Mr. Stalin Sahab doesn't complete his promise, then we would have to do something big. We have to do something big or not? Because 22 years, more than 22 years have passed. How much patience you will show? How much patience? We are not saying that we will cast our vote for any political party. We are not saying this. But we can show our wrath